Hello ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders. Today is Sunday, 21st of March 2021 and the time is 11:24 p.m. Welcome to our BBMA weekly analysis for the trading week of 22nd to 26th of March 2021. Let's get started. As usual, we will review our setup SOP. We're not going to change anything this week. Trade with 4 time frame, weekly, daily H1, H1, entry and exit on H4. Trade 1% risk per trade, and also we use TradingView for our automation. Alright, let's look at last week performance. For the week starting from 15 March 2021, our trade was in losing with drawdown of minus 1.69%. We took 2 trades, both hit stop up, and the rest of the trade we didn't take the risky buy, and we don't have any other alert for our strategy to enter the trade. Okay, let's look at this week trade setup. We will start with looking at DXY for USD currency index. From the weekly time frame, we turn on our BBMA indicator. We can see in the weekly time frame, price is at the MA 510 high of the BBMA, so this will be a re-entry sell setup for us. Okay, and on daily you can see that price is making an MHV sell. Okay, and on H4 we can see price making a momentum sell, and it come back up to retest the top BB and reject it, and at this point of time it closed exactly at the mid BB, a little bit low I would say, but the EMA is still below. So overall we think that the XY will be weak, means USD gonna be weak, but we need to have this CSM sell to happen. Okay, and if we look at the lower time frame, we can see extreme sell followed by CSAK sell. So we have the bearish bias on DXY for the coming week. Okay, let's look at Euro USD for our trade setup. Starting from weekly time frame, we can see price is making a re-entry buy. Okay, this is a good re-entry buy because the MA50 is below the current price, and on daily time frame, last week price make extreme buy, TPW followed by MHV buy. So you want to see on H4, do we have momentum buy? Yes. So on H4, price actually make a CSM buy over here and make a pullback, and as we can see here, although this low is lower than this one, but it closed actually higher than the previous low. So this is a valid buy setup for us, but if you want to be more cautious, you can look at the lower time frame. So at the lower time frame over here, we can see price made a CSM sell. Okay, and it make a re-entry sell. So if you are not comfortable, what you can do is put a alert for CSM buy on H1. Okay, to make our buy setup valid. Okay, so once this CSM buy happen, okay, how we gonna plan for this? When this CSM buy happen, then we can take our re-entry buy on H4. Okay, so we have that for our alert. Okay, next pair, AUD USD. Okay, for AUD USD on weekly time frame, we can see price is at closer to the MA 510 high, 510 low, sorry. This is a re-entry buy setup. On daily, now it's actually making a higher high, and currently price is also at the MA 510 low, so this is a re-entry buy. And then on H4, we want to see CSM buy. Okay, currently price at make CSM buy, but it shoot up a little bit, make a extreme sell. Okay, and it make a CSAK sell. However, it does not make CSM sell, but it return back up over here. So last week when market closed, it closed at the MA 510 low over here, which is a valid re-entry buy. So this will be our buy zone. Okay, the only issue is the EMA 50 is above current price. So if you are not sure or not very confident with this trade, you can wait for CSM buy to happen on H1 and immediately take the buy. Okay, so wait for use our custom indicator, wait for CSM buy, then we buy. Okay, so that's the plan for AUD USD. Next pair will be USD Jpy. Okay, for USD Jpy, we also start with weekly time frame. Price close outside the Bollinger Band, open and close outside the Bollinger Band. This is a re-entry sell setup for us. And then on daily time frame, we can see it make a MHV sell. On H4, price have broke below the low BB. However, it closed back up and currently it make a re-entry sell. So this is a valid sell setup for us. So we can take the sell from current price and put our stop at the top BB here. Okay, so that's the stop. This is the re-entry zone. Where is the target? Weekly MA 510 low over here. This will be the target. Okay, so it's pretty decent risk reward ratio. Alright, next pair is GBP USD. GBP USD, okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. GBP USD currently price just reject the MA 510 low, so this is a re-entry by setup. Okay, so looking at daily time frame, for daily time frame we can see price is keep retesting this is ranging around this zone. However, this is still a re-entry buy setup for us. Okay, because if you take this extreme sell, there is no momentum sell, mean the sell is not valid. We're still in a buy trend. So on H4, we can see that price make a CSM sell, broke up, make a CSM buy, pull back, and never close outside the Bollinger Band. So there's no bearish momentum. Okay. Again, if you are not very sure of this condition because the MA50 is above, we can wait for CSM to happen at H1. Alright, so put an alert, CSM buy. Okay, remind ourselves to immediately enter the buy. Okay, next pair will be USD CAD. For USD CAD, currently price is at the MA 510 low, so this will be re-entry buy for us. On daily time frame, we can see price is making a, this is a extreme buy. On H4, price make a extreme buy, CSK buy, re-entry buy, and currently it's near the re-entry buy here. However, this buy is actually not yet valid because there's no CSM buy yet. Okay, so until we see CSM buy, then we can wait for the pullback to happen. So we want to expect something like this, pullback to continue to go up. So set alert using our custom indicator, CSM buy, and make sure price above EMA 50 for us to take the pullback. Okay, next pair is USD CHF. For USD CHF on weekly time frame, we can see almost the same thing with the previous pair USD CAD. USD Jpy. So currently this is re-entry sell setup. On daily time frame, we can see price making a MHV sell, so it making a lower high, right? On H4 price make a CSM sell over here. Okay, make a pullback, but never have the momentum to break above the top BB. So this sell trend is still very strong. However, this is a complicated setup. If you are not sure, you can wait at H1. Okay, wait for this candle to go break below the low BB, take the pullback. Okay, that will be the pullback in H4. So something like that. Okay, so for this one, what we want to do is we want to set up the alert for CSM sell at H1 sell. Okay, when the alert trigger, then we immediately sell. All right. Last pair is Mzd USD. Sorry, Mzd USD. Okay, starting with weekly time frame. Currently we see price is hanging at the MA 510 low. This is re-entry buy. On daily time frame, it's making a MHV buy. All right. And on H4, it go up, make a CSM buy, but it pull back quite low, making a lower low even. And however, it does not have a CSM sell. So technically this is a valid re-entry buy, but we don't want to buy now because EMA 50 is above the current price. It's risky. So we turn to low time frame and wait for this thing to happen. Okay, break, pull back, and go up. So for this one, we're gonna set CSM, wait for CSM buy. That will make our buy valid. Okay, so I think this is beyond our alert capability. So we're probably gonna let go of this one. All right. So once you can monitor this manually. So once you see the candle close above the top PB here, we can immediately buy, because that will be in H4. That will be around here. Okay, so it actually shows that the price have the strength to go up. All right, so that's it for this week. Our trade plan is always simple. Okay, so these are the trade plan that we have, and that's it. This is the analysis for the week of 22nd to 26 March 2021. Thanks for your support, and as always, trade safe, take care of your account, and use proper resizing for your trade, and stay safe till we meet again next week. Bye bye.